One thing about our travels and how we spend 3 months at a time in different places, we did something every weekend when we were in Colorado. And not just like something as in like, oh, why don't we check out this cool new restaurant? Like something as in, why don't we do this massive hike? Or why don't we drive 3 hours to this other location? Or why don't we... And it was just kind of non-stop every weekend.
We were basically deciding that maybe we need to take it a little more easy. We want to explore and do things, but maybe not every weekend. But we also can't do nothing.
In reality, this is kind of just a local thing to do. Just kind of go on a quick hike, quick walk, really. You know, get a little exercise in. It's not the hottest tourist spot, but it is close to where we live, and so we figured we would check it out and see. And that's also what part of this whole thing is not just to try to go to all the hot spots, but just go, you know, where we are living and experience that. Did you just get hit?
I don't know if that was a tree or a bug or something.
We're gonna continue our little walk here and check out what else this area has to offer. Here we go. So we actually just finished eating, and as part of just relaxing a little bit and having a low-key weekend, we decided to clean up the place a little bit.
I'm so tired.
Though it's not a hike at a 14,000 foot elevation mountain, it's still stuff that we have to do.
It's real life.
It's what we do. We're gonna go check out downtown Los Gatos. We've got a reservation at an Italian place tonight. Gonna grab some food and see what it's like down there. But not like this.
No, I gotta shower.
You get ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
There we go. Yeah. Well, we're ready to go out.
Yeah.
Here we go.